Playing music with other people is one of the most rewarding things that you can do. We usually play by ourselves, but when we play with others, there's a chance to really elevate and share ourselves and make something beautiful. There's also a chance that things just turn into a big dumpster fire. That's what this month's challenge is all about. It's what we're doing over on the workshops on Accordion Love. There's a whole section that discusses techniques and how to do it. But this month, I have a challenge for you. You show up at a friend's party, and there's someone with a guitar, and they're playing the song Let It Be by the Beatles. Let's see what happens. Someone's drumming. And there's a guitar player. There it is, C to G, A minor to F, C to G to F to the C. They're kind enough that they've told you the chords, and it's kind of a cool party. There's lots of room for music. Some people might sing, but you brought your accordion and people say, go ahead. What do we do? What do we do? You know the chords. You know C to G to A minor to F. You've played the song on your own, maybe dozens of times, right? Now, when we play by ourselves, we have no one to be accountable to. We could do it as... Or maybe you play it as... But right now, this is happening. Right? And so just like a dance, this is happening. We can't come in and start going like that. We need to listen first. And so your challenge is to come up with a Let It Be. I'll post these backing tracks in the description. I would love to see you play along with your version of Let It Be. I'll give you some examples, but it's totally up to you. Now, this guitar is quite sparse. Maybe it's just right hand. Sure, right? Da 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 da. Just using 2 fingers. Maybe we do the Beatles piano. Same chords, play differently. Still no left hand. This would be very lovely at the party. What I don't want to see, and it's not wrong, but again, it's coming with 100% energy when this is quite chill. I can't even hear the other players, so we want to come in lightly. Could be just left hand solo. I came in a little hot, a little loud, so I brought it down. I'll give you one more example, and I'll put this backing track in the description. Maybe it's a more enthusiastic guitar player. The last guitar player was very kind, left a lot of room. This guitar player has a pick, same chords, but it'll be slightly different feel. So same chill drum player, this guitar player. Party, different kind of groove. Now, what do? Maybe we can be more rhythmic. There's no right or wrong answer. This is appropriate. Right? Bigger sounds player, right? So again, just like when we speak with someone, we want to match their energy. Just like when we dance with someone, if they're coming in like this with open arms, we don't want to grab their arms. We want to sway gently with them. Just like with this little drum player, we want to groove with them. We don't want to drum over them. Just like with this guitar player, we want to nod along to them, play the right chords, but it's more about how we play those chords, just like in the klezmer unit, just like in the blues. We can come in and say, we can play, you can be the best Let It Be player by yourself, but when someone else is playing, whether it's a bass player, whether it's a guitar player, whether it's someone doing an a cappella voice, how we come in, how we play those chords is just as important. Anyways, that's this month's challenge. Accordion Love students, submit your answers on the Accordion Love forum. Do that 6 times in a year. I'll send you awesome Accordion Love merchandise. We have tank tops for the summer and hoodies and whatever it is that you'd like to wear. Do that 12 times in a year and I'll send you exclusive prize pack with coloring books and postcards. Some of you have done it over 4 years in a row without missing a challenge. Amazing. I can't wait to see your entries. Thank you.